Good morning, students. Hope it is clearly visible and audible to all of you. Give me a thumb. Yes, thank you. So let's start, students. Yesterday we have discussed about the gametogenesis phases, types, how the hormones are able to regulate this process of both spermatogenesis and oogenesis, because the spermatogenesis and oogenesis both are the two types of gametogenesis seen according to the types of sex or gametes found in case of human. In yesterday class we have discussed, just start the process of spermatogenesis, the definition, exactly how the spermatogenesis process is get regulated by the hormones like gonadotropin releasing hormone, FSH and ICSH, because it is seen in case of the male reproductive system. Okay, let me start from this portion. In our previous class, we have just started the part of the section that is the seminiferous tubule found in the testis of male gonad. If we are just trying to detail about the TES of testis, of the transverse section of testis, exactly where that gametic development, spermatogenesis is going to occur. So, diagram ta kalitin kore ki rakhithili dekho. Here I am taking the transverse section of the seminiferous tubule, and the seminiferous tubule is lined with which type of cells? This primordial germinal cells or PMGCS, or you can write it PGS. Primordial germinal cells are the cubical germinal cells, the cuboidal germinal cells, which exactly undergoes the process of mitosis to produce a large number of spermatogonial cells. In between these cuboidal germinal cells, the columnar cells are also found, and these columnar cells are called what? Sertoli cells or North cells. Or sustentacular cells. Okay. कौन क्लियर आसुनी रे पिक्चर ना वॉइस? गौरी शंकर आचार्य कौन पचार क्लियर आसुनी मीन्स व्हाट इज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द पिक्चर और ऑडियो, वीडियो और ऑडियो, which one is not clear? Okay. Now it is clear? Okay, I will repeat. Now it is clear to all of you? Gauri Sankaracharya, now it is clear? Is it clearly visible? I am repeating. We have taken the transverse section of the testis where the exactly spermatogenesis is going to taking place after the age period, that is the puberty. After the puberty, under the influence of this GnRH, gonadotropin releasing hormone, FSH hormone and ICSH hormone, the spermatogenesis process is going to taking place in the seminiferous tubule of the testis. So seminiferous tubule is lined with which type of cells? Germinal cells. You can call it as primordial germinal cells. These primordial germinal cells are of cuboidal in structure, also conical or columnar in structure. In our previous class, we have already discussed what about this cuboidal structure, what is the structure and functional importance of these cubical cells and the columnar cells. Exactly, the cubical cells are used to divide repeatedly to produce a large number of spermatogonial cells. These cuboidal cells only divide mitotically repeatedly to produce a large number of these spermatogonial cells. Here I have mentioned. And what about these conical cells? These are the Sertoli cells, Knot cells, or the sustentacular cells. That means the cubical cells undergoes repeated mitotic division to produce a huge amount of spermatogonial cells, and after the formation of these spermatogonial cells, the growth phase occur. After the growth phase, the maturation phase occur, and after the completion of this maturation phase, we will get what? Here these are the sperm or the spermatozoa. Okay. This spermatozoa require the nourishment and which is given by this Sertoli cells, because in your male reproductive system we have discussed that the Sertoli cells are the particular cells which is able to produce the particular protein, androgen binding protein, that is ABP, and inhibin. This function of androgen binding protein is what? It is able to concentrate the testosterone hormone, the male androgen hormone, that is the testosterone hormone, which is secreted from the interstitial cells or the Leydig cells found in between the seminiferous tubules. Because these cells, Leydig cells, used to produce the testosterone hormone, which are get absorbed by the Sertoli cells for the nourishment of the sperm. Due to the presence of this particular protein, androgen binding protein, the Sertoli cells can concentrate the testosterone and it is used in the nourishment of this spermatozoa. बुझा पड़ला? Yes, बोलिको. Can you get it, students? Please reply me in the message box. Okay. Thank you, Asirbad Behra, Mukesh Panigrahi. Okay, thank you. So, here, the Sertoli cells are used to provide the nourishment of the sperms which are arises after the different phases of the spermatogenesis. The product is present over here, and for the future development, it gives or it provides continuous nourishment to the they undergoes the particular maturation stage where the meiotic division occurs. Up to this, we have discussed the type of division is during the multiplication stage, the mitotic division occurs, and after this mitotic division, two type of spermatogonial cells are produced. How they are get produced spermatogonial cells? Under the multiplication stage, mitotic division occurs. Number of spermatogonial cells are produced. Type A produce type B spermatogonial cells. Now, last class if you want to make a short note, okay, no doubt, Smruti si Devi, ठीक अच्छी. If you want to note this, please write within 2 minutes. Just make it a rough diagram. Okay. ମୁଁ clean କରିଦେବି whiteboard. If you want to write, प्लीज क्लास रे टिके जति लेखा जाउची जति की बुझा जाउची से जाको रफ नोट रे अल्प अल्प लेख, बिकॉज सबु जाको एक्सप्लेन करके मटेरियल रे एक्जाक्टली इक्वल टू तमन लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन वाला दिया जायछि, किंतु तमने को बुझिबा को पड़िबो बाय अटेंडिंग द क्लास, एंड क्लास रो नोट इज वेरी एसेंशियल फॉर ऑल. मैम नोट सेंड करंतु. ओके, सेंड हे जिवो. All of you बुझी पालो जिनसोटा. So, in last class, we have just discussed the process of spermatogenesis, the definition, what is the definition of spermatogenesis? The formation of haploid spermatozoa or haploid male gamete from the diploid germinal cells of seminiferous tubule in the testes. That means the process of formation of the sperm, the process of formation of male gamete. Here we can write the process or the formation of male gamete. It is under the influence of what? Hormone, follicle stimulating hormone, and interstitial cell stimulating hormone. Now, spermatogenesis occurs at the age of puberty. And what are the phases? Exactly what we have studied in gametogenesis phases. Number 1, that is multiplication stage. Multiplication stage. Number 2, growth phase. Number 3, that is the maturation stage. So, if we are talking about the first phase, the multiplication phase, here what occurs? Multiplication of the primordial germinal cells to produce a large number of spermatogonial cells. Write down this line also. That means by the process of this multiplication, the primordial germinal cells produce large number of spermatogonial cells. By repeated mitotic division. By repeated mitotic divisions. जितेंद्र गौड़ सिलेबस विषय किछि कहंतु. जितेंद्र गौड़ पचार सिलेबस विषय किछि कहंतु. सिलेबस विषय कौन कहबी तमारे पचार चाहछ सिलेबस रे जो हमर डिलीटेड पार्ट कौन रहिला रिमेनिंग पार्ट कौन रहिला सेटा जानिबा को चाहछ. ओके ठीक अछि मु सरला आड़ को जस्ट एक्सप्लेन कर देबी कौन कौन पार्ट तमरो रहिला. So during multiplication phase, the primordial germinal cells produce a large number of spermatogonial cells. But you have to mention here the two types of spermatogonial cell here. That is the type A spermatogonial cells and the type B spermatogonial cells. These type A spermatogonial cells are mitotically to divide to produce both type A spermatogonia and type B spermatogonial cells. You have to write these particular points. Okay, so by the process of multiplication, what we will get? The spermatogonial cells are produced, type A spermatogonial cells and type B spermatogonial cells. Type A spermatogonial cells are the stem cells which are able to produce, as well as the type A and type B. We have to remember that one thing, only the type B spermatogonial cell will undergo further phase, that is growth phase. What exactly occur during this growth phase? The type B spermatogonial cells, this type B spermatogonial cells after the multiplication phase get developed in their size, increases in their size, it becomes larger in size by the development of the nucleocytoplasmic content. Okay, last class में तुमने मुझे कही थी ग्रोथ फेज रे exactly कौन होची, exactly the growth phase. Inside in this growth phase, the spermatogonial cells get provided with the nourishment from the nerve cells and the nuclear cytoplasmic content are increases. Continuous DNA replication, mRNA synthesis are occur. What occur during this growth phase? The DNA replication and mRNA synthesis occur rapidly. It will going to take place. After this growth phase, what we will get? In multiplication phase, we got the spermatogonial cells, and after the growth phase, we got the primary spermatocyte. That means each of the type B spermatogonial cells from the multiplication phase, when undergoes this growth phase, they become large in size by increasing the nucleocytoplasmic content inside there, and the larger cells which will converted from the type B spermatogonial cells are called the primary spermatocyte. All these type B spermatogonial cells are undergoes this growth phase by seeking the nourishment from the nerve cells. By increasing the nucleocytoplasmic content, they are now known as primary spermatocyte. After the completion of growth phase, what we will get, that is the primary spermatocyte. Okay, ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ କଣ ଡାଉଟ୍ ଅଛି? संगीता प्रधान, दीपिका जेना बफरिंग होची एनीबॉडी एल्स आउ कार बफरिंग होची की? नेटवर्क तो ठीक अच्छी मोर है। बर्तमान नेक्स्ट फेज को जीवा। नाउ द थर्ड फेज इज द मैच्यूरेशन फेज। आफ्टर द कंप्लीशन ऑफ दिस ग्रोथ फेज, द प्राइमरी स्पर्माटोसाइट इज नाउ enters into this maturation phase. Okay, what occurs during this maturation phase? long question of the spermatogenesis. What you have to write inside in this long question? You have to just mention the heading spermatozoa, definition of the heading spermatogenesis, definition of the spermatogenesis, certain features of the characters of spermatogenesis, like in which age period the spermatogenesis starts in case of male human being, by which hormones they are get stimulated, what exactly where the spermatogenesis occur. All these 3 to 4 points you have to write at the beginning. Then after, you have to draw this ray diagram or the schematic representation of the formation of primary, secondary spermatocytes, as well as the type A and type B spermatogonial cell, and the formation of spermatid. You can write it. Now, here we have to write the process. Diagrammatic representation of the process I am drawing here. Going to draw here. Diagrammatic representation of the spermatogenesis, because all the process phases of the spermatogenesis we have discussed. Hello? हाँ सर, मुझे क्लास में अच्छी क्लास देखने होते चलছে हाँ 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 So, if we are going to the details about the process, the spermatogenesis process consisting of 2 steps. Number 1, formation of spermatids. Remember, what is that? The number 1, formation of spermatid. Number 2, spermiogenesis. Okay. Spermatogenesis exactly occur by these 2 steps. Number 1, that is the formation of spermatid, and number 2, that is the spermiogenesis. What exactly we are going to found inside this formation of spermatid? The formation of spermatid is going to taking place by the following 3 phases. Number 1, multiplication. Number 2, growth. Number 3, maturation. Okay. We have discussed earlier, by the process of multiplication, what we will get? We will get from the primordial germinal cell, we will get this spermatogonial cell. Students, please write down this spermatogonial cells. 2 types of spermatogonial cell we will got. From this multiplication stage, what we will get? By the growth phase, we get primary spermatocyte. From the primary spermatocyte, by the process of maturation, we got after that secondary spermatocyte, and then from secondary spermatocyte we get spermatids. Okay, you can write here, they are the diploid cell, diploid. Here it is haploid, and spermatids are also haploid. Write down this part. Over students, have you completed? Priyanka Patra, complete कर दले. Jyoti Misra, okay, very good students. So, you have the idea what exactly we found after this maturation phase during the formation of this spermatid. It is the process. First step is how we will get the haploid spermatids, and after the formation of spermatid, it will undergoes the second step, that is called spermiogenesis. What is that? The spermiogenesis, formation of spermatozoa or the sperm from the spermatids after physiological maturation or differentiation steps or the differentiation process. We will get the mature sperms. That means during this spermiogenesis process, from the spermatids we got spermatozoa. What we will get? The spermatozoa or the mature sperm. It is the particular differentiation process through which the rounded spermatids, oval spermatids undergoes several differentiation process or physical developmental stage, physiological developmental differentiation steps, structurally developmental stages, from where the rounded spermatid will give an elongated structure of sperm having a distinct head, middle piece and tail. Okay, we will get elongated form of the spermatozoa from the rounded and oval structure of the spermatid by the process of spermiogenesis. Any doubts, students? Any doubt? You have to write in theoretical manner. These steps as well as in this schematic representation, and also you can write in theoretical points by making the points. What is the multiplication stage, what occurred during this multiplication, what exactly occurred the growth and maturation phase followings, and what is the spermiogenesis, what are the two steps of this process of spermatogenesis. Okay, all this process of spermatogenesis is going to taking place inside in the what? Testis or in the seminiferous tubules. Certain things where the sperm get the mature release from by completion of the physiological maturation occur inside in the epididymis. We have already discussed in our male reproductive system. So from the spermatids, the spermatozoa are produced. Over. I have to wipe all this. Students, ମୁଁ এটা clean କରିବି whiteboard. Okay, clean କରିବି. Okay. So if we want to represent the diagram is very important for the long question. It has 2 to 3 marks by draw the diagram of the particular process. So clear, it is clear to all of you? Clearly visible hochi na buffering hochi. I have to draw the diagram over here and you have to draw with me. मो सहित तुमको ड्रॉ करियो पड़ियो खातारे ड्रॉ करियो समझते I have to make that symbol to avoid buffering. Missing about okay. Here these are the PGCS or primordial germinal cells. They divide mitotically to produce a large number of, they divide by mitotic division to produce